Alright, so this is our old LG model that we had. We've had this for I don't know how long. This is an 11500 BTU. Wild Rose Haven Homesteading. And it has been, well, it's been working all right for us up to this point, but as you can see, there's some condensation going on up here on the top. This is what it sounds like when it is on, and I only have it on humidify at the moment. And from where we moved, well, we didn't have, somehow we lost the accordion bit that came on the side. I don't even know if it even came with one. I don't remember. It's been that long. But we just brought it with us from when we moved over in California. We ended up buying it when California had this really hot spell. Oh my gosh, it got over like 101 degrees and everybody was melting. So, yeah. I'm laughing because we are going to be looking at records over, starting triple digit next week. And that's a little bit early for us. We usually don't experience that, or we haven't since we moved here. Experience that until late in August, or August around that time is when we'll start hitting triple digit numbers. But I tell you what, oh Lord, next week it is happening as of, when I say next week, tomorrow. So we need to get these in ASAP. This one is needing some help getting it regulated in here temperature wise. We ended up losing one of our ACs last year, so we're kind of doing a whole moving things around, a bit of a juggle with all of the different ones, and hopefully that this will eliminate our AC problem. So that is part of the reason why we ended up getting this unit, and this is what it looks like right now. Okay, so let me just share a little nice tidbits of information. This unit is nice because it is Bluetooth adaptable. If you have Alexa or Google, it also can be connected to those applications as well, and you'll be able to operate your unit from there too by voice operating it, which I guess that's fantastic. We don't have that here, but if you have that sort of technology in your household, then this unit is set up for that as well. It was rated in 2022 as one of the top energy sufficient AC window units that you can get. And I tell you, it is very quiet, very, very quiet, especially if you're a light sleeper like I am, and you have to have one of these units in your room, then this is something that you might be interested in trying out. So I am really happy with it. I didn't really have any problems with it collecting any kind of mold issues, that sort of thing. That was one of the problems I was having with a couple of the AC units that we were using, that they would eventually start getting moldy on the inside, which totally sucked, and I'm terribly allergic to mold. So that was one of the other reasons why I was looking into this unit and seeing, hopefully, that it would eliminate that problem. And so far, knock on wood, it has not had that sort of accumulation within this unit on the inside of the house. So I thought I would share that information with you as well, and I will show you how it operates. So we're going to give you a quick look-see at the inside of this. I don't know what that was supposed to hold, but there you go. So this is where your filter is going to be located, and it's really cool. It just slides in and slides back in like that for you, like that. And then you pop it up, close it, and it's all good. And you just vacuum it off, and that cleans the filter. And it comes with a remote. There you go. Got a close up of my hairdo. Yeah, I did that. Anyway, batteries. Voila. 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 Did I put them in the right way? Probably not. Probably not. Oh, yes I did. There we go. Turn that puppy right on. Woo. Oh my Lord. That's irritating. Listen to that noise. There's a tiny little squeaking noise that I hear. Oh, it's gone away now. Oh my goodness. Okay, just the fan difference between the two is amazing. Look, you can see it blowing my hair. Look, it's blowing my hair. It's blowing my hair. You know, if it's blowing my hair, you know if that fan works. Tell you what. Okay, so we have different modes. We have auto. This is actual cool. It has the dehumidifier, which they have as set as dry. You have your fan, which is preset at 82, or that's the temperature actually, 82. That's the fan. And then you have your speed settings. Let's see. Ooh, the swing. I like the swing. This is what the swing does. See that? Hold on. What? Yes, that's amazing. Love the swing. It has a timer. It has a nighttime setting. And that basically is, see the LED light right there? See the light? See the light? What's this? That's not it. This is it. Turn that off. So you can either have a night light, you can set up in your room or something like that. Okay, so there is a nighttime setting that I actually don't know what that setting is. I'm just thinking maybe it's for overnight. It also has these little adjusters here on the inside, so you can direct the airflow in one way or other, but you have to do this manually. So just to let you know, that's where they're located, and yes, they do move. Here on the remote, these are all the different settings, but that's what it looks like. On the remote, here's your fan setting for speed. So that makes it go low, high, or medium. And that is high. So this is what the high setting sounds like on this fan setting. And on the LG, you're listening to the high setting right now on the LG. Low setting is, sorry, well, there we go through the cycle again. That's low. You can't hear it on low at all. It's quiet. I'll do the low setting on the LG. The LG does not come with a remote. Oh, that's the temperature. Okay, so for you to listen to that, you have to actually put it on fan. That's the fan setting, which is pretty quiet on the fan setting. Oh, see? Now it's going, I see you got the new one and I'm not working for you today. Forget it. Okay, now it is. So that's what it sounds like on the low fan. Which, that one's on low fan, you can't hear it at all. I mean, it is quiet. That's medium. And that's high. So it's not too bad. Considering how old this unit is, it's not bad at all. This is like over 10 years old. Yep. Okay, back on dehumidify. This is on the dry setting. Not too bad. All right. Oh, well, that's what it sounds like without the compressor. You heard what it sounded like with the compressor. Okay, let's get this one back on. I'm gonna put it on dry or on cool actually. Because this is set up in our lounge. I usually just keep it on dry, so. And oh, they also have an eco setting. So right here on your remote, that's eco setting. That's the energy saver. On your unit, it says eco here. What is that noise? That noise is bothering me.
Why is it going up and down? What's it doing?
What are you doing there? Oh. Oh, this here? Oh, that's the swing. No, it's supposed to be that. Is that what you're asking? No, it just turned. It just switched. I think that's what that noise is, though. It switches from the condenser or what?
Yeah. Is it on cool or what?
Yeah. It's only on 75 now.
Okay, turn the fan off.
Oh, and that's on high. Oh, that's fantastic. Okay, so now the condenser just went on to the other one, which is on dry. We'll put this one on cool as well. This one also has an energy saving mode too, if you're interested. That's 75. This is 70. That's really cool. 75.
Is this on full?
Yep.
Full fan? This is blowing way more air than that one. Way more air.
Is it cool though?
Yes.
Yeah, this is set at 75. This is one of the things I noticed about this unit. This is 75 and the other one is at 70, and this is like just as cool right now at 75. Pretty awesome. All right. Okay, you all. So that's it. And just know that if you have. See, I hate it when you do that. So, have an awesome, cool summer. Wild Rose Haven Homesteading.